afternoon, students. The objective is to explain the difference between comparative advantage, absolute advantage, specialization, and exchange. Comparative advantage, when an individual or a country or society incurs comparative advantage, it is because the opportunity cost is lower for that country or individual or business than another individual government or business. So when an individual, for example, gives up less in terms of resources than another individual in the production of the same good or service, we say that this individual has a comparative advantage. Absolute advantage, on the other hand, is when two individuals, for example, two different individuals, for example, using the same factor input, say labor hours, and individual A produces more than individual B. Then we say individual A has absolute advantage in the production of that good. Now, the basis of exchange or trade is comparative advantage and not absolute advantage. So, if a country or an individual has comparative advantage in a particular good or service, this individual, business or country will be expected or required to specialize in that area or good or service for which he or she has comparative advantage. And when that country or individual specializes in that good or service for which it has comparative advantage, then this individual country or business is forced to trade or exchange that for which he or she has specialized upon with the good or service that that other country, individual or business has specialized upon. So comparative advantage forces one to exchange that good for which one has specialized upon. So therefore, the basis of exchange or trade is comparative advantage, not absolute advantage. Specialization is producing one good or service instead of producing several goods and services. And when an individual country or business specializes in the production of a good or service, the total output per unit of input increases, and therefore total economic well-being or standard of living increases as a result.